In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Canadian National Railway stock, ticker symbol CNR in Canada, here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, I go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. I go to the top part of the Discover page here and press on Search. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol CNR for the Canadian National Railway. So there you go, Canadian National Railway Co. At the top. Now to purchase shares of this, go to the bottom and press on Buy. For me, it's on fractional buy, but if you wanted to change that, press on fractional buy, and then you can select recurring buy, stop, limit buy, fractional buy, or market buy, whatever one you guys want. Next, type in the amount that you want to invest. So I will just do $3 for this demonstration and then press on continue. And there you go, pretty simple. To confirm your purchase, go to the bottom and press on confirm order. And there you go. That is how to buy Canadian National Railway stock, ticker symbol CNR in Canada, here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.